that due to this global pandemic situation, how we are facing, then how we shifted from offline to the online, that as we all know, and then how many challenges we encountered, and then because we are all with our collective efforts and then additional efforts, those some of the challenges we made into opportunities, and then now how will be the future, in future what will be our the plan of action and all. So in this auspicious occasion, now I invite our more respected head of the department and senior faculty and assistant professor vocational and skill development training programs, and Dr. G. Srinivasulu sir, to please inaugurate the session, sir.
Thank you, Samaya sir.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome participants. Good morning to all. On behalf of our director, Major Ram Kumar sir, thank you for joining the today's webinar, the exclusive program on the eve of 75 years of in our country's independence. Participants, you know, NIEPAD, National Institute for Empowerment of Persons with Intellectual Disabilities, under the administrative control of Department of Empowerment of Persons with Disabilities, Divyangjan. We are working for the benefit of intellectual disabilities. So today's topic, the webinar, we planned for vocational rehabilitation, past, present, and future. Why should we know the scenario from the beginning to the present situation, and where we are going? How best we can get the benefits to PWIDs? So those important information we are sharing on this platform. So we have Samaya sir, rehabilitation officer with us. So the main focus of this webinar is the trades, whatever be the trades, because during the time of 1980 and 1990 time, maximum amount of organizations are providing charity-based kind of service. Hello, am I audible? My voice
Yes,
is
sir,
okay.
you are audible. You are audible, sir. You are audible.
Okay. So during the earlier time, 20 years, 30 years back, maximum amount of organizations, the special schools are providing vocational rehabilitation services for charity-based kind of things and traditional activities.
Picture.
So maximum charity-based and traditional activities. Then after some extent, they incorporated some kind of creative activities, little bit of innovations and sheltered-based kind of activities. Organizations are services they used to provide for the PWI. So step by step, what all the changes incorporated, right from the PWD Act 1995 to the present RPWD Act. Then during the time of grant in aid, they used to get from the DDRS provision. Now the grant in aid support organizations are getting from SIDDA. So there are so many changes incorporated in this provision, especially in the policies, acts, provisions, and schemes and benefits. So in this the vocational rehabilitation part, the how the changes incorporated and where we are and how best we can proceed for the future rehabilitation of PWIDs. So the components, traditional and non-traditional kind of trade, schemes and policies, important initiations. So all these things my colleague Samaya sir will share in this platform. So now I welcome to Samaya sir. Samaya sir is the President Award winner, rehabilitation officer, assisting and supporting to maximum amount of parents for getting the loans, financial kind of support from the immediate organizations and government of Telangana and other sectors, either from Mudra or NHFDC and other sources and MNCs and CSR support. Sir is providing a lot of services. So we welcome to Samaya sir.
Thank you,
Samaya
sir.
sir, please
Sir,
take
thank you,
over the
sir.
board for the today's webinar, vocational rehabilitation, past, present, and
Yeah. Thank you,
before
sir.
going to the session, I would like to share one important point. This is regarding one of the important quotes I will share to you. Is are you able to see the screen?
Yes, sir.
This is the DVR ID course, Diploma in Vocational Rehabilitation ID, 1 year course. Eligibility is +2, intermediate qualification or HSC or equivalent with 50% of marks. So hostel facility also available. Mode of selection through All India online aptitude test. So this week the advertisement will come from Austria Rehabilitation Council of India. We have a regional center, CRC. At present, we are conducting from headquarters and two of the regional centers. So any interested candidates can apply for the diploma in vocational rehabilitation course. And one more important information, you can take a screenshot of this course. You can share this information to the siblings or any other family members or interested parties for undergoing this course. And one more important information, mental health rehabilitation helpline. This is a Kiran mental health rehabilitation helpline for the 24/7 any kind of issues related to stress or anxiety or any kind of mental related issue. They can dial to this number 1800 The Government of India's flagship program. You can feel free to contact to this helpline number. You can share your information or you can ask what are the issues related to the mental agony or what are the anxiety or distress or other psychological related issues. It's a 24/7 throughout the country. This flagship program and helpline is working. You can dial in the regional language also, Telugu, whatever the language. So please use these services, participants, professionals, parents, siblings, and all the stakeholders who are attending this today's webinar. Thank you one and all. Over to Samaya sir.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Thanks for your the motivational and the valuable information shared over here, sir. As sir told, that is a diploma in vocational rehabilitation. That is a one academic year course. It has a very good the scope for nowadays. See, as per this SCPW Skill Council for Persons with Disabilities, different job roles are there. Those are all related with the skill development training program. Because if any individual wants to get the job, then every individual requires the skill, and then by undergoing this the vocational training program, we can increase our expertise and all. So that is the very good course, and its contents, that is the technical aspects, how to develop the restructuring a working environment, and what is the the motion economy principles and all, and then how we can make use the science and technology. These are all aspects will be there in that one academic year diploma course. Just it is a 10+2, and then the most of the institutions are even the 10+2 colleges also, they are going to start this skill development training programs, the vocational the streams actually. So this diploma is having a very good the market the potential. So whoever knows here through this webinar, because some of our DVR students also joined here, so you can refer your that your friends that they can pursue this course. And because these are all employment oriented course, and then mental health helpline number, national mental health helpline number also, that is also important, because now due to this global pandemic situation, COVID-19, still, because we are hearing that even third wave also, because it is, some people are saying that it is already entered, and then because we are always, we have to take the precautionary measures as per the norms of this Minister of Health and ICMR, and then as per the government of norms. So we all have, and then concerned state government, we all have to follow, and then we should guide to our the citizens, so that we can easily overcome this pandemic situation. So yeah, thank you very much. Now I will go into the session. Before going into session, because I convey my sincere thanks to our respected director, Major Sri B.V. Ramkumar sir, who is instrumental in designing and devising this webinars for importing this the knowledge about the aspects of the vocational rehabilitation, and then in the field of disability rehabilitation, in specific for the training and rehabilitation of persons with intellectual and developmental disabilities. So and then also I convey my sincere thanks to our head of the department, our Dr. J. Srinivasulu sir. Just now only he gave his the valuable inputs and the motivational speech, which makes all of us to do furthermore enhanced the scientifically, where we can help the persons with intellectual disabilities, and then we can sensitize the family members, so that they can also engage their ward into the meaningful activity that is called the vocational activity, so that he can become a contributory member to the society, and then family member, he can become a this earning member, because we have number of success stories are there, because most of the people here who undergone training in our the department, they are working because now from home offsite jobs also they are working on behalf of them, because we give the inputs to the parents to get some job orders, and then those things will be undertaken from their home environment. So it is like a promoting employment avenues as part of off-site job undertaking. Instead of going to organization or employer's office, they can undertake the activity from their home environment. So as you all know that my name is the P. Sammayya. I am here working as a rehabilitation officer for the past nearly, I'm going to complete my 30th year, 3 decades in the field of intellectual disability in specific, and persons with disabilities of all categories in general. So I feel it is privilege for me to give you all the information about the sharing. It is there because see the exchange of information. So what are all the latest updates are taking place in the field of disability rehabilitation? As we all know that, see now this because RPWD Act, Rights of Persons with Disabilities Act, because we know earlier it was 3% reservation, but now it is 1% increase in the employment reservation. So now 21 disabilities accommodated in clauses A, B, C, D, and E. In D actually, because our adult persons with intellectual disability who had undergone the vocational and skill development training program and who acquired the skills in the specific area, for them also 1% reservation is there. That there is a clause E. It was the grouping 1% the persons with intellectual disability and then mental illness, and that, as we all know, that autism, ASD, autism spectrum disorder, and then specific learning disabilities. Because here, so what I mean to say, the vocational education, vocational training, and then the skill development training program is the playing a significant role to get the jobs in the open supported employment, who cannot adjust the dropouts, as we all know that for them, because we have devised the mechanism is that because we motivate the parents, and then we undertake the market survey within their community, and then we go for the product survey also, which are all the products are on demand, that we will give the inputs to the parents, and then we make them to establish the befitting vocational avenue, so that where they can engage their ward, and even because of their son or daughter who is with persons with the ID, other people also they can take the, because when we are establishing one small unit, not it won't run by individual, ये अपन को और एक 2-3 बच्चों को भी उसमें ऐड कर सकते हैं, because it is very the beneficial for to make them to put into the meaningful activity and the scheduled activity, and the major thing is that we can make them independent, because our intention this skill development training program and vocational training programs, we are importing them. Our main agenda behind that is we want to make them self-dependent, mean independent, so that up to the maximum extent they can undertake their activities, and then they can become a contributory member to the society, and then even family members. So this is the thing. And then because the self-advocacy, because see the most of the students frequently they visit our department, and we ask them, because ना एक 5-6 साल का लड़का भी आके जाके सर आई एम वर्किंग इन सो एंड सो प्लेस, एंड देन सर मेरा कितना सैलरी मिल रहा, बल्कि बोलते हैं रियली when we listen those the successful the motivational words, we feel very happy. But here, as a professionals, as a rehabilitation professions, we all have to do that, because the follow-up is the most important, because we continuously years together the professionals cannot make any follow-up, because they will be having the fresh batch and all. But here we have to motivate the parents. We should give the parents inputs actually, because as part of one of the objective that we are conducting parent training programs, sibling training programs for the creation of awareness about the abilities and potentials of the individual and their boards. So now I'm going to share this the PPT. Wait for a while, because this is all of us this required, because these inputs are more and more required to make them to keep in the meaningful activity. Yeah, yeah, students, is this visible to all of you? First slide.
Yes, sir, visible.
Yes, madam, slide is okay. Do you have to
Yes, sir.
learn furthermore? It's okay. Hmm? Thank you. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Yeah. So today's our this the topic is
Sir,
that
make it full screen, sir.
more full screen. 1 minute. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Rahul ji, now is it okay, Rahul ji?
Not that one, sir. Beside 89%, there is a box.
So furthermore, should have increased, na? Now is it okay?
वो नहीं सर,
Okay, sir.
100% के बाजू में एक बॉक्स है, देखिए.
हाँ.
Click on that.
Yes, sir. अभी तो मेरे को full screen
वो
बता रहा
नहीं
है.
सर, वो नहीं.
हाँ.
160 के लेफ्ट साइड में है, देखिए.
हाँ.
160 के लेफ्ट साइड.
हाँ 160 के लेफ्ट है. अच्छी बात. ओके सर.
कैंसिल करिए.
Yeah.
Not that one, right side.
Right side. Okay, sir. 1 minute, sir.
First cancel this one, sir.
Yes, sir. We are doing. Please, sir.
160 right side button.
Okay, sir. Now is it okay, Rahul ji?
हाँ जी.
Thank you, sir. Thanks for your support. Now, the participants, because see, now our topic is that the vocational rehabilitation. What was the past? What are all the milestones we achieved, and then how the scenario in the present, and then how we can anticipate, how we can expect in the future. What will be our plan of action? So here. Yeah, here, see, actually, because the changing scenario from past 3 decades, see here, because these are all the milestones that, as you all know, NIPID earlier, it was popularly known as NIMH. Yeah, NIMH, National Institute for the Empowerment of Persons, National Institute for the Mentally Handicapped. Now it is renamed as National Institute for the Empowerment of Persons with Intellectual Disabilities. So here our institute was established on 22nd February 1984, and because with the vision that our vision is that the quality of life of every person with intellectual disability is equal to other citizens in the country. Yeah, in that they live independently to the maximum extent possible, has been widely accepted and implemented by all the stakeholders, such as the parents, the siblings, the professionals and other professionals, as well as the policymakers, with the importance it deserves. So here what happens, because the past because how we did the earlier, what are all our the significant the achievements that we projected here as milestones. So in 1990, our institute, as I told you, our institute was established in 1984. In 1990, actually, because the identification of the job. So here I would like to give you all one small information that our the name of our department is Department of Adult Independent Living. See, generally in the society we call it as a vocational training center, but nowadays, due to the Department of Vocational Training, now this, because the main objective of the vocational training is to make them independent, because from dependency to, we want to make them independent by giving these the training input, so that where they can undertake, where they can get this expertise. So here, actually, because in our department, the 18 and above will be referred to our department, because this is the post-school programs. From 0 to 16 years and 16 to 18 years, they will be in the special education center, actually, because the 18 and above will be referred to our department. So here we have the one standardized assessment. The tool is there, as we all know now, because if you want to know the existing abilities and potential, then we have to undertake the scientific assessment. That VAPS, in short, we call it as a VAPS, vocational assessment and programming. The system that will be undertaken by our this vocational instructor. This department is having the multidisciplinary team. So the realistic assessment will be undertaken by the qualified vocational instructor, because it contains different domains, like the 3 phases of training importing will be there, like this generic skill training program, where we can put them into the work readiness skills, so that they can move to the specific skill training program, and then they will go to the intensive skill training program. After that, as we all know, that on the job training, what we call even internship and then apprenticeship also. because the internship mean because see in particular the area where they got earlier the training, and then furthermore the intensive of the training, that part, and then because independently they will be undertaking the job, so that that will be there. After that they will be adjusted in the employment. So here in 1990, because we identified some of the jobs which are eligible, that which are easily can be undertaken by the persons with intellectual disabilities, mainly adult persons with intellectual disabilities. And then 1991, the promotion of parents association. So here our the NIPID did one significance, that even Parivar group also there, that is a nationwide the group, parents group. So every yearly and half yearly they are conducting the national level programs and regional levels parents meet also, so that where they can disseminate the appropriate information, the management aspects, and then education aspects, and then this the vocational training aspects, and how can they make their ward or their the boy or girl with ID in the meaningful the activity vocational trades. Because we all know, because the parents wishes that they think that because our my ward should become independent like other normal intelligence people, because here the skill is the most important aspect, because every individual, even normal people also, if they want to perform any item, they should have the skill. Even our the special person, the children with special needs, the adult persons with intellectual disability, they also need the skill. Here skill is the common for every individual to sustain our sustainable employment avenues, because so the skill is required. So this is the Department of Vocational Training imports the skill training program. So in 1991, Promotion of Parents Association was formed. This model was created by the NIPID only. At the time, it was formerly an MH. And then 1992, Design and Conduct of Professional Training Program. So here, what happens, because now one of the objective that the development of the mind power development, that is called manpower development, the HRD programs, human resource the development, because see our institution this offering the courses, the diploma courses, and then even undergraduate, and then this PG courses, and then post PG courses, even research fellowships also. And then they can the outside, because those who are pursuing any MSW or related courses, they can undergo even internship in our institution. So in 1992, because this is the past actually, because these are all the milestones, significant achievement of our national institute, the NIPID. Design and conduct of professional training programs, short-term and long-term training programs. And then even at the time we had this refresher training program also for the professionals, so in service candidates. And then 1993, organization of production center. So here what happened, because when we, in 1991, when we promoted promotion of a parents association, because there in our Hyderabad, we have one Lekhadeep is there, and then Pavan Cap is there, and then Akanksha, that is a railways organization, because where they undertake the railway peoples, the persons, the adult persons with the ID will be there, and then there whatever the in-house requirement of the their organization, that they are, as part of imparting training program, they are getting the byproducts which they are supplying it to the railways only. This is several parents organization was formed by the NIPID only, all technical know-how, and then how to develop the workstation, and what are all the machines and all is required, and then how we can make the process of job simplification, that is called restructuring of working environment. And then the design and development of the adaptive devices. Participants, as we all know that if you want to design, if you want to customize, then what is the procedure customization that we as per the individual needs. That's why only, because as I told you, we have the standardizer tool. Through that tool we come to know the entry level of the client. As we all know that every individual has potential and capabilities. Do you believe or not? Yes, participants. See, every individual has potential and capabilities. Yes, do you agree with me? Koi yes boliye? Yes sir. Anyone can respond?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, absolutely. But thing is that because see, when we conduct the aptitude test, then we come to know the interesting zone also, and then as per their interest, we devise the program. Because in our Department of Adult Independent Living, We have number of the vocational trades are there, the workstations are there. These are all actually one kind of simulations, because see, when it will, because IVTP we are following, so it is we cater the needs of the individual, and then accordingly the devising, the vocational programming will be there, which will facilitate them to undergo training, and which paves the ways for the getting the job avenues. And then here 1994 initiation of DVT MR course. So just now only our head of the department explained about the scope of the course of the DVR. At that time it was DVT course, Diploma in Vocational Training and Employment, MR course. Now it is DVT ID course, because now as per the RPWD Act, the MR was replaced with the ID, and then moreover our people, this ID, they have the now reservation in government sectors and even private sectors also, because that's why only the Government of India, the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, Department of Empowerment of Persons with Disabilities, they are offering incentivization to the employers, the private sectors, the limited companies, yeah, for them, so that if they can give the employment avenues, employment provisions to our trained adult persons, then they are eligible for getting this incentivization, and then tax exemption also there, and then even their names, because if they can give the group employment more than 10 persons, their names will be forwarded to the Government of India for the national award also. Okay, so now at that time it was the DVT, that was a very the diploma, one academic year course, and then in one academic year really they get more and more information how to devise and how to develop one product, and then how to change the customization process, and how we can develop the rehabilitative aid. Like rehabilitative aid mean now we have the wheelchair. See, the crippled case, because crippled case mean because the lower limbs, 70% it will be affected. So that crawling will be there for them, because we have the wheelchair. Further customization has to be done. So kaisa karte hain usko? So he commode, because the toilet, the commode, the bowl. So here that bowl, the downside it can be kept, and then even that this incinerator type also we can keep in airport, because when we go for the washroom, when we press, because it is the that technology also can be introduced over here. This is as per the individual needs. That's why only we call it as the customization, rehabilitative aid customization, as to overcome the individuals, the barriers, where we can make barrier-free environment. And then special employees national meet. See, SCNM, because see, every year we used to conduct the special employees national meet, because whom we place after undergoing training, for them actually yearly once, that is preferable in the February month, they come to the NIPID and they showcase their abilities. वो लोग वो जहाँ प्लेसमेंट कर रहे हैं, जहाँ काम कर रहे हैं, कैसा कर रहे हैं, कौन सा काम कर रहे हैं, those simulations they do demonstration here in the presence of the prospective employers. Our intention is that we want to showcase their abilities in the presence of the prospective employers and the proprietors who are the employment the givers, so that because the more wide publicity will be there, and then these people, through that one, these people get further more avenues. So 1996 establishment of workshop for preparation of jigs and fixers. हमारा Department of Adult Independent Living में, because it is the I hope it is the first of its kind. So we have the simple engineering workshop actually, where we can develop these adaptive devices. Yeah, participants, because we are familiar with the word of the adaptive device, mechanical aids, the jigs and fixtures, and then this is the clamping devices, the locating devices, guiding elements and all. So these are all things actually, because wherever the complex work is there, this facilitates us to make that complex into the complex will be converted into the simple work actually, so that where we can reduce the cognition, because the thinking, the critical thinking and all that, it will come to the meager stage. And when these devices are having the self-inspecting the mechanism. So इसमें, because see, one example I can give you, because in my hand there is a Renault ball pen is there, because suppose we got the job order from the manufacturer of the Renault ball pen. So how many see what we do now, we develop the workstation, because see a workstation because the user friendly environment has to be created. So again, the normal working area, the maximum working area and extended working area, because see, sitting posture, both the hands, low upper limbs will be the functional. And then when we engage the adult persons with intellectual disabilities, because both the hands we try to engage, so that because if one hand is empty, then because it leads to any the small injury chances may occur actually. So we engage both the hands, so that because there is the scope will be the 10% we can avoid happening of the accidental chances. So here establishment of workshop where we have the lathe machine, and then shaping machine, and then drilling machine, and then this bench vices. Bench vice boleto, because see, if you want to develop one product, what happens, we have to take the measuring and marking. After marking, because again the cutting will be there, after cutting again the filing will be there, and then after the finally it will be assembled, the fitting will be there. So these are all aspects for the development of this mechanical aids, electronic gadgets, and then this the rehabilitative aids and the job aids and all we develop in our workshop, because this our Department of Adult Independent Living has been equipped with the qualified the vocational instructors, and then moreover head of the department, he is the multi-talented the senior officer, and then he will be guiding in all the aspects. The comprehensive program will be devised by the team of the people. So this is the unique team. So where we put our the additional efforts, and then as I would like to tell you that we have the visible efforts. Visible efforts mean whom we placed. The successful models are nothing but this is the visible efforts. So हमारा बच्चे लोग बहुत जगह में काम कर रहे हैं, and then they are leading very the dignified the life. But thing is that we have to give them opportunity, because we want we are not focusing on the sympathy, but sympathy is somewhat different, but we want empathy, because we seek the support, so that they can survive in this materialistic world of the living in the society. So 1997, the promotion of trainees towards sheltered employment. Students that you might be knowing, because that example is that the railways Akanksha, because it was established by the NIPID, it was the unique the project, and then now also it is I hope that organization completed more than 2 decades, I think 25 years, 2.5 decades. Now they are meeting office file covers, scribbling pads, and then file pads, and then notebooks, short notebooks, long size notebooks, and then fancy the greeting cards and all, and then they are making this what we call art and craft activities, and then this photo framing, everything they are making, and then they are giving it to their organization only. So this is the really the significant, the sheltered employment that because this will be under the supervision of the trained person, they will be undertaking the work. But here put them. Yeah, and so here, and then next this R&D projects on vocational training also, and then creation of workstations. Yeah, here in 2000, that expansion of workstation services for generic skill training program, as I told because see, we have the VAPS, in VAPS generic skill training program will be there, and then specific skill training program, and then intensive skill training program will be there. So yeah, because it was in 2000, it was introduced by this at the time it was the DVT, Department of Vocational Training. It was really, it is the very significant. It contains totally 8 domains. In detail, we will become next slides. The modular activities for independent living, and to turn to exhibition for vocational awareness. See, why we conduct exhibition, as we all know that for the creation of the public awareness about the aspects, the vocational rehabilitation aspects, we can disseminate to the prospective employers, the potential employers, and then even who donates and all, for them, potential donors also, we can create the awareness, and then tableau of ability mela for general public, because the ability mela in Telugu mein bolte hain samardhyala mela, mean where they can showcase their abilities in the presence of the public, and then even this this prospective employers also. Tableau in view of independence celebration of Independence Day, and then रिपब्लिक डे में भी हम ये पूरा डालते थे, वो टाइम पे स्टार्ट हुआ है. and 2004 development of assistive devices and vocational training. Students, as we all know, that assistive device which facilitates us to undertake the activity in simple way, that we call it as a assistive or the rehabilitative the device, that was developed in our simple engineering workshop, where we have the tools, equipments and machineries, even carpentry items also we have, so that different kinds of the teaching learning materials and even adaptive devices, and then this job aids we prepare over there, and then we overcome the wherever we have this the problematic are there, to overcome those things, because we develop the job aids that works as a troubleshooting mechanism, so that the whole situation becomes very simple, and then it becomes user friendly, so that apna, the adult boy or adult girl with the ID, they can very comfortably undertake the activities. Development of manual and vocational training, because this was also done by the our Department of Adult Independent Living. Study on traditional and non-traditional vocational project, that na, because earlier agarbatti making अपन को क्या था, it was the अगरबत्ती मेकिंग अपन को ये था कि वो ट्रेडिशनल था, but now it became the manually operated था वो actually. Now it became non-traditional, because traditional mean the conventional, and then how we can make due to the technological advancement, because due to the application of the science and technology, we can make most of the trades became the non-traditional, that is called non-conventional. The publications and curriculum for vocational education series, this was developed by our the most respected Madam IIT Theresa Kutte Madam, was developed under the guidance of our Honorable Director of NIPID. Yeah, DVR course materials also developed by us, and then 2010 NIMH employment model for PWIDs. See, because if you want to set up how we can develop the employment model, so that this becomes model for other people also, so that this this easily the similar type they can replicate over there. ऐसा model वो लोग भी बना सकते हैं, then they can keep their watch to the meaningful activity. Three-phase vocational training program. As I told you, the VAPS is the standardized tool in that. Yeah, three-phase generic skill training program, 6 months it will be there, and then skill training program, and then specific, and then this independent living training program. So 3 aspects will be there. It is 3, 6, 18 months, and then that can be extended up to furthermore 6 months, and then because that is again, so the periodical evaluations will be there, because the promotion, because those who achieves the 80%, they will be promoted in the next session. Yeah, initiation of domestic work session also, because we have here our the NIPID is running one cooperative mess for the benefit of the students, and then we have the wet canteen also, because that is run by the our parents parent group. So there because the domestic work session activity, we have one small simulation in our Department of Adult and Living, and then we used to take our students to the canteen, and then there we want to do this the domestic work session practices, the chopping the vegetables and all, and then peeling the vegetables and all, and then how they can assist in the this is the cooking area and all. So 2013 establishment of physical fitness unit, it was done, and then 2014 initiation of agri-based work session, because that was the we have very good playground is there. Beside that one, actually in corner place we established along that agri-based work session, where we the vegetable cultivation that will be done by here also, because the task analysis and all, and which are all tasks can be taken by our adult persons with intellectual disabilities, and then how they are contributing their skills over here. And because the agro-based activities everywhere it is there, mainly this is the rural people, because in their community this demand is very much is there. So that one also we giving the training, because it was established at the time. And then 2015 initiation of skill development training program. See, 2016 initiation of digital teaching learning material for PWID. See here the teaching learning materials generally, because when the course is going on, one academic year, 2 academic year courses, so they're as part of their this vocational education and training program, they prepare with the low cost materials. But here the digital teaching learning material, it was the mainly the contribution is that mainly the designing aspects was done by our head of the department, J. Srinivasuluji, and then we all associated him, and now it is under the guidance of our Honorable Director. So that was done, and then furthermore this enhancement is taking place. So these are all the digital teaching learning materials, what is the efficacy, and then how we can make use for import training and programs to the in their home environment, because we have the NIPID Facebook page is there, and NIPID India YouTube channel is there. There, if you can visit that channel, you will get all these the digital mode, this short videos, so that the same that facilitates the individual to undertake same activity in their home environment. 2017 initiation of comprehensive assessment tool for project. So here, because we have the VAPs, that furthermore in the VAPs we have only the 18 domains, but here it is the furthermore the more yeah, elaborative it was undertaken by our J. Srinivas sir only. It is almost it is completed to come out the manual in the form of manual. This is a very good tool for where we can come to know the potential and capabilities of the persons with individual ID, which facilitates us to devise the program in scientific manner very perfectly, which will facilitate him to undergo training, and then subsequently he can be placed in the open supported employment. And then 2018 design and development of job roles as per NSDC. See, as I told you, SCPWD, Skill Council for Persons with Disabilities. NSDC is it is meant for all the normal and disabled all people, but SCPWD specifically the corporation is there for this the persons with disabilities of all categories as per the RPWD Act. Here the job roles, because from our side our NIPID has already submitted a number of job roles as per the capabilities of the persons with intellectual disabilities, because here in SCPWD job website, because number of job roles are there, that also I'm going to show you all. But here the duration will be increased, and then the curriculum almost it will be same, but for example for locomotor disability, that if it is 1 year 3 months, then for our persons with ID it will be 6 months, like and then other the development of this adaptive devices, that will be done by our institution, our department only. Initiation of job mela for PWDs, that one also we created with the support of the prospective employers, because this was the completed, and then we disseminated information about the see what are all abilities, and then how these people can undertake the activity, then what are all the merits and demerits, and we gave live examples that if job can be given to our adult persons with ID, he is very good in some of the aspects, that he will not go here and there, and then moreover he's when he's his focus will be completely on the job only. These are all the merits we told them, and then some of people got who undergone this computer training program. The few people are working in the MNCs also. Yeah, students, present scenario, people with disabilities need skills to engage in livelihood activities, because and then but they start with a number of disadvantages. Here, see always because when we want to start one the appropriate the program planning, and subsequently when we want to put them into the scheduled activity, because we get some what we call some this barriers will be there. To overcome those barriers, we have to do the redevising is required, because when it comes to the persons with ID by the professionals, so that we can make them the user-friendly path. So the simplified way that facilitates them to undertake the activity. They often lack access to basic education, making them unqualified to join skill training courses. So here, these are all the presently, because they are facing some problems. To overcome these problems, what we have to do, we have to redesign. If it is required, we have to go for the change the curriculum. Further splitting can be done the curriculum, and then as per these people's need, that we have to devise, because wherever problem is there, to overcome the problem, we have to devise a troubleshooting mechanism, so that very comfortably we can make him accommodate over there. The reasonable accommodation is one of the most important aspect. These advantages frequently result in lack of skills, as well as low confidence, expectations, and achievement. Different types of skills are required for successful work, which include foundation skills, the technical skills, and professional skills required to succeed in self-employment. Here the क्या होता है बोले तो, because generally हमारा यहाँ 3-phase training program होने के बाद में generally our team, the vocational instructors and the rehabilitation officers, and these people undertake the market survey, identification of suitable jobs, because the nearby areas, industrial areas, electromechanical steam jobs, and then other because the office assistants and all, in the service sector and all, manufacturing sector and all, and then assembling sector and then agro-based activities. So these ये क्या करते हैं, because after identifying, then again accordingly, yeah, we try to develop the simulations, and then we try to make them to import the training, and then who cannot adjust in the open supported employment competitive working environment, for them we talk to the parents and the regular caregivers, the vocational coach and all, and then accordingly we make them to go for the self employment avenues. So यहाँ क्या होता है बोलो तो वो लोग का this what we call the market survey, वो community survey में कौन सा demand है वो ही pick up करते हैं. PWDs need access to a range of training opportunities and acquire marketable skills. See the market, see the training opportunities, because see that that access is the most important, and then whatever where they are getting the expertise undergoing this training program, and then see acquire marketable skills, because whatever where they are where we are engaging them again, and then the outcome will be there, because when they are working in the open supported employment or in their home as part of the self-supported employment, the outcome will be there. For that one, actually the marketable skills also we have to improve, so that we can, even in our bookbinding area we have the paper-based activity where we have the machineries, paper cutting machine, and then leg operated penning machine and punching and cruising machine all is there. So outcome will be the short notebooks, long size notebooks, fancy greeting cards, and then this fancy this scribbling pads and office file covers, office file pads, and then this spiral binding aspects and all. ये पूरा, because this is the product. See the product QC mean quality control also हम थोड़ा self inspecting mechanism वो develop करते हैं, so that with that the strips you can check the for example the 100 millimeters, the 10 centimeters. So for that one small template will be there, so that he checks if you want to make them to check the product appropriate, one sample piece will be created with the sample, they will match. That's no application of the other the measuring instruments will be there. Okay, the rural here the women with persons with disabilities have equal opportunities for skill development with men. Yes, as we all know, the rural PWDs require access to support services, vocational guidance, placement services, assistive devices, and adapted equipment. Yeah, see this the significance of adaptive devices and then the assistive devices. This is the actually, because now the government is thinking to introduce this the syllabus of importance of assistive device in the even the upper school. Mean this is the 7th class, the 5th class to 7th class onwards. Actually, they want to, so because now in our 10th class syllabus also SSC also we don't have the aspects of the assistive devices, because in 2019 I attended one of the program, that is the importance of assistive technology in Bangalore. So there we also suggested to the government to introduce in the curriculum, so that from beginning onwards, if they will come to know the importance of and the significance of assistive devices, how it changes the scenario and how it facilitates them to adjust and cope up with the small the problematic areas, how to overcome, and then how they can mingle with their co-workers, the colleagues, and then the friends, and then the co-officers. ये पूरा भी वो लोगों को vocational guidance तो हम देते हैं, because see that aptitude and what is his level of degree of intelligence, and then his interest and his likes and dislikes will be taken into consideration, and then हम placement services में भी assistance देते हैं. And then service severe PWDs require access to advanced skills and opportunities for developmental tasks. So here what happens, so we have total the 4 categories, and the mild, high functioning and low functioning, mild, moderate, severe, and profound cases. The severe and the profound cases, we can furthermore say we have to, the furthermore simplification has to be done, so that we can create opportunities for developmental tasks. So the task furthermore slash down the task, so that small, because whichever is the ability zone is there, with that one he can undertake the activity. So here the categories of occupations, rural and rural. So यहाँ rural में traditional है and non traditional भी है. Traditional बोलते तो मालूम है ना, या knitting बोलते इसके पहले अपन को पास्ट में knitting, hand knitting था, and then farming and then weaving भी handlooms बोलते हैं ना अपन villages में करते रहते हैं अभी भी कर रहे हैं but nowadays the mechanized handlooms are there and then bricks making अभी तो इसके पहले bricks making वो there is a one what we call there is this one mold will be there actually one wooden frame will be there through that one they are taking actually excess material कैसा लेना है bricks making में भी हमारा थोड़ा बच्चे लोग the working because the parents का वो profession है तो because they involve these students also so that they can assist them goat farming and the nursery so how we non-traditional कैसा है अभी non-traditional because these furniture preparation adjustable अभी अपन को furniture world like this is the everywhere now wherever you see the furniture world is there actually in Hyderabad so number of new different designs because those are all adjustable see not single item because this is the pot by pot small items different components because when they want to supply to the purchaser's house that will be in small carton box but when they do the assembly it becomes very big table even table also that is the legs will be taken out and then racks will be kept somewhere and then again assembly can be done so here the furniture preparation adjustable and non-adjustable organic farming kitchen garden and all see the organic the products even the vegetable cultivation and then horticulture and sericulture and then this the kitchen garden and then this biogas plant that you might be knowing and then this vermicompost where we can prepare the manure and then which we can use for the as a this fertilizer for this organic fertilizer for this our fruit bearing trees and other this vegetable cultivation activities that we can make use so that presently we have in our NIPID that this vermicompost also we are importing training there is a skill training program for that one also we developed one small short videos in the form of digital so that is already uploaded in our this NIPID Facebook that YouTube channel that NIPID India YouTube channel that you can access number of videos are there those videos are self-explanatory demo videos by seeing those videos pause and play method we can teach our we can train our adult persons with intellectual disabilities in our the home environment where we are cultivating our organic farming and all mechanical looms the electronic because earlier the weaving because the hand weaving hand looms that's why only because now this mechanical looms means this is electrically operated and then the fitting and all will be there this is the semi-automatic and automatic actually though it is supported by the electronic PCBs and then the current the wall costing the ready-made walls Azkal because see the cement the bricks earlier bricks upon brown in color it comes actually after proper melting and but now the wall costings ready-made walls be Azkal and the ready-made bricks also there actually there is a cement bricks less in weight actually and pet farming and bird farming and bonsai and medical plants gross labs see here non-traditional and traditional yeah here there's adjustable furniture because यहाँ कैसा किया है what are all facilities because ये अपन को assembling and dismantling type and then organic plants yeah that even terrace also we can our terrace building के ऊपर भी अपन इसको cultivate कर सकते हैं and then because yeah it gives us ambience and then our अपना बच्चे लोग वहाँ काम भी कर सकते हैं that's the mechanical looms the hand loom अपन बोले थे ना ये mechanical loom है now because of mechanization was taken place so it is the traditional became non-traditional conventional became non-conventional yeah the medicinal plants and see here medicinal plants because grow करना है because in their home environment ready-made wall they लिख रहे हैं ना this is cement bricks actually so that यहाँ there is a this is called the fixture the holding device here रख सकते हैं and then slowly it goes down actually after that this will be taken out and then pet animals and birds and then bonsai plants and gross slabs का भी बड़ा business है आजकल ये भी actually because outside if you want to make the lawn grass lawn then we can buy these things and then here categories of occupations in semi-urban 1 minute Yes, students, the participants, the categories of occupations, semi-urban, because earlier we discussed about the urban, semi-urban. See, the traditional and non-traditional. Traditional को conventional बोलते हैं, and then non-traditional को non-conventional बोलते हैं. So diyas making, because diyas making, ये अभी इसको ये भी mechanization, in the process of mechanization we can prepare these things. The candle making now, and the gel candles and the decorative and the magic candles and all. See, ये कैसा traditional कैसा non-traditional बन गया है. Envelopes, the preparation, envelopes preparation. So envelope preparation हाथ से करते हैं because handmade. So that how much we can prepare per day. अगर एक adult boy with ID को दे तो because he can prepare only 50 or we can say morning 10 o'clock to evening 4 o'clock. At the most, he cannot go for the 100. But if you can do this is the mechanization. Mechanization mean here envelope preparation, again you have to take one template and then cutting the envelopes and then again creasing and folding and pasting. ये थोड़ा है, but यहाँ क्या हो रहा है, handmade envelope. ये handmade envelope में क्या होता है, machine cutting रहता है यहाँ, and then the glue, the pasting and creasing can be done by these people, and then proper, so that and then some little bit drying is required in the open environment. So ये non-traditional है. File making, help folder, customized file making, ये पूरा आजकल with the support of the the paper based activity ना, we have the इसमें एक main machine है paper cutting machine. ये पेपर कटिंग मशीन एक्चुअली जनरली मैनुअली ऑपरेटेड रहता है, बट उसमें थोड़ा रिस्क फैक्टर ज़्यादा रहता है, बिकॉज इफ यू वांट टू मिटिगेट द रिस्क फैक्टर देन वी शुड गो फॉर द सेमी ऑटोमेटिक. सेमी ऑटोमेटिक में लेफ्ट साइड में 3 सेंसर्स रहता है, राइट साइड में 3 सेंसर रहता है. सेंसर मीन इट डिटेक्ट्स, सी दैट यू नो व्हाट इज करंट. द करंट बोले तो फ्लो ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स थ्रू द कंडक्टर इज कॉल्ड करंट. So what happens, you know, electrons even flowing in our body also, because contains the water, wherever water contents are there, the flow of electrons will be there. Current बोले तो electrons है, flow of electrons through the conductor, aluminum wire, copper and all. So I am making you to understand. So here क्या होता है, sensor बोला है ना, this is called biosensors. तो यहाँ हाथ गए तो वो रुक जाना, मशीन ऑपरेट नहीं होना. पेपर गए तो ऑपरेट होना, because the हाथ is the living thing and the non living thing बोले तो पेपर है. ये पेपर को इसलिए हम 2 हाथ एंगेज कर देते हैं, सो दैट ही ओनली कैन पुट फॉरवर्ड फॉर कटिंग प्लेस में पेपर रख सकता है. पेपर गोस मशीन विल बी रनिंग बाय ओवर साइड ड्यू टू वन और अदर रीजन. हाथ चलेगा तो मशीन ऑटोमेटिकली कट ऑफ हो जाता है. दैट मच द फुल प्रूफिंग इज रिक्वायर्ड एंड द ग्रीटिंग कार्ड्स, द कोड स्कोर्स एंड द साइटेशंस. या पार्टिसिपेंट्स, या मेरा आवाज आ रहा है क्या पार्टिसिपेंट्स? कोई एक रिस्पॉन्ड कीजिए.
Yes,
कोई नहीं रिस्पॉन्ड कर.
Yes, sir, it's coming.
हाँ हो रहा है ना. गौतम मेरे बोलते रहना, मेरे को नहीं दिख रहे हैं ना यहाँ, because so here quotes and citations, because here the greeting cards, we can say the fancy greeting cards, the different colors, and then because the perforations different design में बना सकते हैं, because there is a non-traditional, non-conventional photo frame and digital photo frame. हमें we are trying for the one digital photo frame is already there, but another one very glittering photo frame is there. That material acrylic sheet, the sheet when we put near this lighting, it gives the like what we call disco light, na? The different the lights comes over there. Our disco light बोल के electrical bulb रहता है, I don't know how many हो, तो उसमें different colors रहता है, because it is the almost वो filament है ना अंदर, ग्लो होने का फिलामेंट घूमते रहता है. सो एक शीट हम लेके आए, बिकॉज वी आर डूइंग द ट्रायल फॉर टू मेक दिस फोटो फ्रेम. सो दिस इज रॉकी द ग्रीटिंग्स, एंड देन दिस इज द, या ये तो दियास है या किसा डेकोरेशंस, हाउ दे मेड दिस द पेंटिंग एंड ऑल. एंड देन दिस इज द पाउचेस, अपन कहाँ गिफ्ट पाउचेस, एंड देन या दिस इज द गिफ्ट बॉक्सेस, एंड देन दिस इज द फाइल कवर, एंड दिस इज द फ्रेम. एक्चुअली ये फ्रेम में कैसे अपन how we can keep. And then the categories of occupation urban, because we have discussed about the rural, semi-rural and urban. Urban बोले तो town है, So यहाँ क्या है, then urban traditional, because that you know ना, the jute बोले तो मालूम है ना, the jute bags बोलते हैं, because now due to the ban of the plastic, and then even the paper also, because the now all shopping malls and the food world and all ना, they are trying handmade paper था, अभी तो non-woven papers, non-woven paper bags, even paper is the biodegradable, वो environment में उससे hazardous things नहीं है, but non-woven things, that is easily it will dissolve in the nature. So these are all biodegradable things we are promoting. Jute bags, non-woven bags, अभी non-woven bags को एक mission है, just we are buying, we want to introduce this one actually. So इसका cost है 1 lakh and above actually, so that we can prepare, we can here we can take job orders, so the sample from the suppliers, and then that we can, as part of importing training, we can get some end product buyback byproducts, and then if you want to start full-fledged by taking the job orders, very much it is having the demand. The plastic, the ban and a plastic is plastic contain plastic called two kinds, thermoplastic and thermosetting plastic. Up to some microns it was the ban. The still some uses of plastic is there, but we are that will be substituted by this jute bags and non-woven bags, the paper bags. Phenol making, yeah. So these are all, see, our PPE kit contains PPE mean क्या है जी students? Personal protective. Yes, students. The PP stands for what?
PPD.
T.
PPE.
Personal detective personal PPT.
Personal protective. E stands for
Equipment.
PP.
Personal protective equipment, sir.
personal protective equipments बोलते हैं. Yeah. Very good. Very good. So the phenol making and the sanitizer making. Yeah. आप कोई say participants please mute yourself. It is the echo sound is coming. Kindly mute yourself. Hello. Yeah. So my voice is the sound is coming. Participants kindly mute. So here packing items, and then corrugated packing, wooden mementos and acrylic. See, wooden mementos, now we are going for the acrylic. Acrylic is a transparent sheet, and block printing, that you know, block printing mean textile based block printing unit. The sublimation printing. See, the mementos, if you want to give our friends, because now sublimation, that our like the teacup, there where we can do this printing of our the photos. This activity can be undertaken because it involves heat treatment process actually. So this very comfortable, it can be undertaken by our persons with intellectual disabilities. So here, see here, these are all acrylic display unit, trophies, acrylic sign boards, name boards, mementos, corporate gift items and job works. देखिए यहाँ ये कितना है, because this is the where we can display our the publications and then study materials very comfortably. It gives very good aesthetic sense. This is also because LM creations, because you can keep your nameplates and any products name and all, you can keep Dropbox and administrative office. This is the this is the Paytm, and then this is the Memento. Yeah, and then these are all the Memento. See, this is the mobile stand. And then here also very comfortably we can keep our belongings, referral belongings. या इसको बोलते हैं sublimation machine है, because यहाँ है ना, इसके ये because a lever है ना, that should be pull down. First initially down में रहता है, बाद में open करना, तो यहाँ अपन mug डाल सकते हैं, because mug painting will be there. And then here when you close down, and then again you have to adjust the temperature. So that this is the display board. So and then we have to give the soaking time. It will take nearly the 5 minutes time, and then we can finish the job. Even 3 minutes में हो जाता है. It's very easy. No hazardous things will happen. It is the safe. Excuse me. the air hangers, and then this is the keychains and all. These are all the fancy items that we can prepare as a product with the support of the ये domestic outlets हैं carry sports and organic masala, vegetable supply, seasonal pickles and fried rice special, different juice items, popcorn and cookies, traditional food items, sprouts making. ये domestic outlets also. These are all things also because wherever this Taruni exhibitions are going on, exhibitions वहाँ और wherever the floating is there, that ये आइटम अपन बिकॉज द वेजिटेबल स्प्राउट है, ये स्प्राउट्स सिखाने के बाद में पैकिंग करने के बाद में फॉर एग्जांपल अभी नाउ सुपर मार्केट इज देयर, बट इफ नाउ वी आर वन पेरेंट इज प्रिपेयरिंग, लेट अस प्रिज्यूम दैट वो क्या होता है, वो वहाँ एक छोटा सा टेबल में रख दिया, थोड़ा एस्थेटिक नीट रहना चाहिए बिकॉज हैंड ग्लोव्स एंड ऑल, एंड अवर पर्सन्स विद आईडी कैन सिट ओवर देयर विद द सपोर्ट ऑफ द पेरेंट्स. ये मार्केट में भी चल रहा है अच्छा. And then chemical related applications, phenyl, and then soap oil, sanitizer. Yeah, sanitizer is the important parcel of the, this is one of the item of the PPE kits. And hand wash and the tiles cleaner, herbal shampoo, soap making, doop sticks and scented sticks and perfume making, washing powder, naphthalene cells. So tailoring and products. See now sewing machine operation hai. The tailoring is one of the activity which has evergreen the demand. Mainly in our Department of Adult Independent Living, we are running our adult girls with ID. They are because of the operating the machine and the pillow covers and all, and then preparation of this soft ice and all they are doing. Yeah, masks making, handkerchief and then hand towels, sari laces and pico and overlock and fall stitching. ये पूरा हमारा बच्चे लोगों को टीचर यहाँ वोकेशनल सेक्टर सिखाते हैं. So they are this is really the good activities that they can do. But thing is that some of the templates we have to prepare over there, and then the rigorous practice is required. They can undertake the work up to the maximum extent. Pillow cover, petticoat making, button and hook stitching and puppets making, soft ice making वो भी कर रहे हैं. And then those things as a sales counter anywhere, because nowadays the mobile, आपने इसके पहले the tea canteen था. If any individual wants to have tea, then he should go to the hotel actually. But now that scene is not there actually because of advancement. Mobile vendors और फ्लास्क में टी रख लेगा, एंड देन उसमें एक बैग में उनका एक ग्लास डिस्पोजेबल ग्लासेस रहेगा, जाएगा बीच में कभी टी होना तो अपन वेरेवर एनीवेयर अपन चाय पी सकते हैं, not going to the hotel actually. So these are all the different hand stitching and computer related, because we have the computer workstation, data entry, calendar making, wedding album, business card making, certificate maker, ID card maker, flyer maker. Flyer बोलते हैं information brochure है where we can disseminate the information what we want to convey. Brochure design and a lettered maker, citation maker, and then colleague marker and invoice maker, and then banner design, the flex banner and all, and then web page design, and then seasonal products, flags, Rakis. Now Rocky season now, this is and then flags now because this celebration of our 75th Independence Day, it's really the great moment for all of us. The flags ये भी अपन because they can sell, some people are selling outside also, and then even shop also they can get it. Calendars, kite making, rangoli colors, greeting cards. Now as I told you, because the advancement is that fancy greeting cards, friendship bands, and molds making. ये molds है, ये पूरा molds है, राखीस है, देखो album कैसा किया है, and then because the kites flying and all, and then this friendship band कैसा कर रहे हैं, see these things. And then other trades, photography, videography, water servicing, vehicle parking, cooler assembly, floor machine, multi-grain, laundry service, molds making, milk vending machine, quilling, bed sheets, vegetable selling service, and grinding machine operation. Hobbies development, glass painting. Upon glass painting में, because the skeleton drawing will be done by the vocational sector, rest filling with the colors and all will be done by the persons with ID. Even some of the persons, even freehand sketch also can be they makes, and then filling also the more 100% work does by those people only. Emboss painting. Emboss mean it comes out actually, because we can feel, if we can touch the tactile, through the tactile we can feel emboss painting. Colleague work mean because the mixing of oil painting and modern art also. The beautician, the mehendi, and then spa therapy, Ayurvedic, musical instrument, guitar and keyboard, event organization support, birthday party, culture and heritage events. And the job coach concept, because see here, as our HOD told no, about the significance of the DVR course, diploma in vocation rehabilitation in the field of intellectual disability, because they can become a vocational coach, job coach also they can become. Concept mean we have to develop our idea. Fitness trainer, see here, when these people also can become a yoga trainer. हमारे कने थोड़े बच्चे हैं, the persons with ID, they does yoga because the practice they get here also in our training, and then in home also. Some of the parents are very much interested, so that वो पूरा asanas करते हैं. Yeah, that they can become coach, म्यूजिक कोच, डांस मास्टर भी बन सकते हैं, एरोबिक्स कोच या टेम्पल असिस्टेंट्स. हमारे कने एक कुमार बोल के था, ही वर्क्स इन द टेम्पल. मेल शॉर्टर, बिकॉज whatever letters comes and all, because if you can give some tips, they will separate this letters and all, and then mail shorter can be done by them. Office assistant, library assistants, packing assistants, store management assistants. And then placement criteria, flyer pamphlet, हम placement flyer बोलते हैं, information brochure, pamphlets, blogs with client videos. हम क्या करते हैं, short videos हमारा website में भी डालते हैं, and then our YouTube channel में भी डालते हैं, success stories. So that, because our intention is that we want to sensitize them, we want to motivate them to give appointment or give employment avenues to the persons with ID. Success stories of placement, short hours duration engagement. Actually, वो लोगों को when we put one boy, train all the persons with intellectual ID into the meaningful activity, वहाँ क्या करते हैं, we tell them to first keep for observation period 2 days, and then they goes beyond 1 week, so until 1 week. After that, the payment starts, and then initially for 2 hours, then again the morning hour 2 hours, then again he will be there for furthermore 2 hours. Like we increase his timings also, so that they will habituate and they will accustom to the situation, and then they will be developing their rapport with the co-workers. Because we as a rehab professional, we used to conduct this series of follow-up action, and then slowly withdrawal will be there, that is in the invisible form, so that the parents can take up this follow-up action and all. And then because that dropouts are there, but for the dropouts also we have to devise appropriately, so that the retention of employment will be there. National award orientation to employers, because who gives group employment to the persons with ID, for them their names can be referred to the national awards. Best employer national awards can be given, because in our institution referred, there is one organization that they got because there is a very big printing unit, they got the national award. And proportion of remuneration with respect to time and wage. Say remuneration, because as per the time and wage and how much they involved over their bonus, allowance, remuneration, like awareness towards motivation. And then regions for the dropout. You have dropout also, it is becoming difficult for all of us now, because due to this global pandemic situation, most of the persons with ID are in their home only, because that's why only, because the online classes regularly we are taking, and then we are encouraging parents to take up the off-site jobs. What happens, because the job order, because earlier they used to go to office, but now due to this pandemic situation, that work will be taken work from home, same concept. There is an offsite the job that we promoted nearly more than 10 persons, adult persons with intellectual disability, with the support of their parents and regular caregivers. That is they are taking out, they are undertaking the activity and then supplying it to them. But here the dropout is very high, because see, the QC quality control aspects and all will be there, and then the employer also, because of they are also facing some hurdles, as we all know. Due to that one, actually most of that employers, they, even the normal intelligence people also, they stopped because due to one or other reasons that they are saying that payment reason, and then our children drop out is there. Actually they cannot adjust in the that environment, because we put up our additional efforts, we try to put them into the into that working the space, working area, that employment kahan hai wahan, but still they won't cope up. The that cases we promote parents to establish special employment avenues. Yeah, employment avenues. And then here the transportation facility, that is also dropout को क्या problem है, transportation के problem है, non maintenance of washrooms, because वो लोगों को attention seeking, because these people most of the people are having the attention seeking behavior for them actually, because so that is also one the cause, excessive and less communication, loading and unloading work, because thoda heavy goods will be there, because these people, it is difficult for them to loading and unloading, because it requires more labor. Yeah, misbehaving by the colleagues sometimes, because the colleagues also. So that's why only we continue generally when we place them, because regularly weekly once we make, and if it is required weekly twice also we go there, and then we sensitize the people actually. But still sometimes our the persons with ID may not cope up, then that makes them to drop out. Lack of holidays and overtime work, because the time is not flexible timings are there, irregularity, and then maintenance of punctuality. पंक्चुअलिटी एंड मेंटेन नहीं किए तो एम्प्लॉयर अपन को निकाल देता है. सो ये थोड़ा बिकॉज वी कन्विंस, बट दे हैव देयर own the guidelines, because we should stick to, when employer we have to follow the employer's guidelines. So that is also becoming one cause for the dropout. Maintenance of punctuality and irrelevant talk with others, sometimes excessive talking and all, and then rules and regulations, response on PWD rights, and frequent arguments with other persons, lack of barrier-free facilities. Generally, as part of the Sugamya Bharat Abhiyan, this the creation of barrier-free future is most important actually. And then sometimes, this more safety aspects are required for our the persons. Yeah, that if it is not there, then it leads to this what we call the dropout. To avoid this dropout, what we have to do? That is the role of the rehabilitation professionals. So here, if you want to, how we can mitigate the dropout. So those are all things we have to see. The first slide was there, na? So यहाँ अपन को ट्रांसफर फैसिलिटी वो लोग कहाँ कहाँ बताना है, and then because see वहाँ that's what we the accessible path and all, and accessible toilet and all, and then that because the working hours, some relaxations, these are all things, and then total creation of a barrier-free environment, and then safety का भी होना. मैं बोला है ना, see manually operated machines can be given to the normal intelligence trained person, but when it comes to our persons with ID, उनको ये फोटो सेंसर जो है वो मशीन में ऑपरेट करने का कोशिश करना है, so that the dropout will be less. Yeah, support from GO, GOUT and NGOs, VOs and GO and VOs. GO mean government organization, VO mean voluntary organization. That is GOUT and NGOs, non-governmental organization. Financial assistance, Dwakra support, Mudra scheme, NHFDC provision, marketing assistance, return local market, CSR and MNC support. Prerana support from National Trust. Participants that because the government is supporting for the financial assistance to the now participants, now I request our G Srinivasulu sir to take over further sessions.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Welcome once again, participants. Regarding the future avenues, I will brief about the present scenario and where we are proceeding for the vocational training and skill development of the PWD. Am I audible, sir?
Yes, yes, sir. You are audible. You are audible.
Participants, all of you know, in our country there are 2.68 crores of PWDs are existing. So out of which 50% of the population are employable age. So for this 50% of the employable age group, Government of India made a flagship program, skill development under Siddha scheme. Okay. So now any vocational rehabilitation center, if they want to conduct a skill training program, they can approach to the ministry for grant in aid through Siddha. So Siddha means Scheme for Implementation of Persons with Disability Act. Earlier, the grant in aid is they used to get from the DDRS fund. Now through Siddha, they can avail the benefit. So this is what the current scenario. However, the trades also, for conducting the training program on particular trade, you have to approach to the skill council for persons with disability, because the trades are authenticated by a PPP, public-private partnership, by expecting some kind of job placement option. Okay, so there is a systematic criteria for entry-level criteria, eligibility criteria, assessment criteria, training criteria, follow-up criteria, certificate criteria, post-placement criteria, etc. So all these things systematically mentioned in that curriculum. So whoever is interested to conduct a skill training program or with a vocational rehabilitation point of view, you can empanel from the ministry for conducting the skill training, and you will get the grant in aid from the Siddha fund. So this is what the changing scenario. So at present there are 97 job roles are available for all PWDs. However, for intellectual disability, you can avail the job role curriculum, nearby curriculum. For example, domestic data entry training, English operation, etc. So these type of trades you can take, you can incorporate for conducting the training program. That is the one criteria. And the main issue is placement. Now, because of pandemic situation, maximum of students are lost their jobs. So where will they go? How best we can provide the support from the organizations and NIs and BRC is a challenging task. Here, as a rehabilitation professional, we have to see the scenario from rural and urban background, severity level background, whether the candidate is mild, moderate, or severe and profound category, and we have to see the gender also, male or female, because some issues very sensitive from the gender difference side, especially women with ID. So all these things we have to consider while placing the student. That is the reason participants, I would like to say there are opportunities. For example, customized placement is there, seasonal employment is there, group employment is there, modular employment is there. Nowadays we are observing entrepreneurship provision for the parents of PWID, then incubation setups, okay, and business incubation setups, then some kind of loans from the eminent sectors, CSR, MNCs, NHFDC, Mudra. So all this kind of support also you can avail for self-employment of PWID, especially for the severe category, severe and profound category, rural population, rural PWID, women with ID. Because we have to monitor the PWDs while working with the IDs. So that is the reason to promote towards self-employment, we have to take care of self-employment avenues for the job placement options. This is a very important observation. So by considering this job placement options, employment opportunities, and financial support from the different sectors, we can refer, we can guide, we can support, we can extend whatever be the services from the organizations or post-organization or implementing agencies. So here organization implementing agencies in the sense NIs, as the NI, and regional centers, CRCs, BRCs, organizations registered from the DEPWD or state government, you can avail the benefit. You can receive the information from the concerned sector. So that is the reason from DIAL, Department of Adult Independent Living, NIPID side, every month we are conducting programs for sibling training program, for parents, parent training program in the name of VGIS, Vocational Guidance and Information Service. You can feel free to ask any kind of issue related to this adult PWID. You can log on to our NIPID Facebook. You can log on to our NIPID YouTube channel, exclusive channel. You can log on to our institute website for the e-learning materials. So all these things we are providing are free of cost. NIPID website e-learning materials, e-learning videos from the YouTube channel, and webinars, free webinars for the parents and siblings. So all this information we are sharing every month through online platform, virtual programs we are conducting participants. Please share this information for any kind of benefit to the PWIDs. So this is my sincere advice and information to all the stakeholders and PWDs, siblings, escorts, caretakers, and the respected organization heads and in charge.
Sir,
We are expecting positive response from all the organizations and in charge of the respective centers. So that is the reason this program is planned today. Thank you one and all. Some questions I am observing from the message chat box. Very important questions. How to proceed for the parent organization? See, there is a one being Parivar. You can approach to Parivar for joining with the parent organization. So updated information related to the parent organizations you can avail from there. You can type PARIWAAR in the Google platform. Commander Vijur is the in charge for the Parivar organization. For any kind of services registration, you can approach the Parivar for joining with them. And the YouTube channels, you can log on to the NIPID YouTube channel. Just go to YouTube, type NIPID India. In the NIPID YouTube channel, there you can see the videos. All our vocational related videos uploaded in that YouTube channel. It's a free of cost. You can download the videos so that you can view the videos in an offline mode also.
hello, Srinivasal sir.
Sir.
In chat box, some of our participants asked their some doubts, sir. So
Yes,
here,
I am doing that same only, sir.
yes, sir. Here, Radhika KU Guchayat, what are the skill trainings available in every state of India? Gout ITI centers for self-esteemness, sir.
Participants, thank you for your questions and information seeking from the chat box. Tomorrow, one webinar we are conducting on schemes and benefits. For your information, I am sharing the flyer. Just a minute. Please log on to the Google link. Just a minute. I will share the joining link also. You can join to this webinar. It's a free of cost webinar to all the participants, professionals, parents, siblings, organization in charges. This is the. Are you able to see the flyer?
Yes, sir. Yes, yes, sir. It is visible, sir.
This webinar on the eve of 75 years of Independence Day, schemes and benefits for PWID. So the schemes related to ADIP, assistance to disabled persons, SIPTA, scheme for implementation of Persons with Disability Act, NHFDC, National Handicap Finance Development Corporation, National Fund, UDID, MHRS, Mental Health Rehabilitation Helpline, National Trust Scheme. So all these things we are sharing tomorrow at 11 a.m. Sharp 11 a.m. You can join. I will share the joining link for your information. You can copy and tomorrow you can log on to this exclusive webinar. You can take the screenshot for your information. Thank you.
Yeah.
Just a minute, I will share the joining link in this platform.
Yeah, sir is sharing the link actually that you can copy it and then you can paste your mail ID. Yeah, participants यहाँ एक
Please copy and or you can share this joining link for the tomorrow's webinar, Teams and Benefits.
yes sir.
So thank you one and all. Thank you, sir, Samay sir,
Thank you
for
sir.
your valuable information regarding the vocational rehabilitation, current scenario, present scenario, and the future perspective. Thank you
Yes.
one and all.
Thank you
So
sir.
once again, we are welcoming for the tomorrow's webinar, Teams and Benefits for the PWID.
Sir, thank you, sir. Thanks for your valuable information, sir. Sir was told all of us because tomorrow very elaborative will be there. This is very important.
There is a 2 hours exclusive webinar on the eve of 75th of Independence.
Schemes and benefits. It is one of the important thing actually. What are all the loan facilities and the financial assistance, where we can get it, what will be the subsidy loans and all, how we can prepare the project proposal, and then how we can meet our get the CSR funds from the potential donors that tomorrow, because please do join tomorrow's session. That is also most important actually. So we can guide to the parents, the regular caregivers, so that they can establish their self-supported employment avenues. And then even subsidy loans they are going to get. That details and all will be given by sir. So tomorrow we are all, I hope we are from our team is joining, and then I request all of you to please kindly join. And here sir तो अपन को सभी बताया है. Thank you very much sir. And then I convey once again my sincere thanks to our most respected director, Sir Major Sri B. Ram Kumar, and then my Sir Sinaslu sir. So, Ji, thank you very much. So, thank you one and all. Thanks for your the patience, and I hope you enjoyed the session. Yes, yes, जी कोई एक बोल सकते हैं. I hope you are all enjoyed the session. Thank you one and all. Thank you, जी. Thank you. धन्यवाद.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.